Hello. Today I would like to show you how to sort the values in the Pandas data frame, which I think is one of the most important things when you are doing with Pandas. So let's assume we have data frame, which looks like this. And now let's imagine that I will just show you that it works. So I will just print this data frame. So you can see we have the column headers and we have the values and the index. And now let's assume that we would like to sort this data frame by column A. So what we have to do, we will do df dot sort values, and then we want to choose the column by which we will sort the numbers. So we go by, and then we choose column, let's say first column. And now if I will print our data frame, I should have data frames sorted, which is not the case because I need to do df equals df sorted one. Okay, so now you can see the first printout. This is the data, the original data frame. So A, B, Z, D, C. And the second one is sorted. We can sort it either in descending or ascending order. So to sort it other way around, we have to add argument ascending equals false. And let's try it now. You can see now it's sorted from Z to A. But if I choose true, it will be again from A to Z. What we can do, we can as well sort it by first column A and then column B. So it would look like this. Let's try, and we will see the difference. Okay, so now you can see the first two lines are the same because we have AA, but the second column is now sorted also in ascending order. So instead of 2 and 1, we have 1 and 2 now. Yeah, and I think that's it from my side. So this is how you are sorting the data frame in Pandas, either by one column or by many columns, and by ascending order or descending order. So let me know if that was helpful and if I should do more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day. Ciao.